listen, black, purple, pink, gray, white. I don't even know what other colors. But yeah, that's all the colors this 4-in-1 mFish charging cable is available in. And when I tell you that there's a reason that this thing has sold 211,000 units, is because it's amazing. It's literally only $8, and it's 4-in-1. One end you have your lightning connector. You pull this out, USB-C. The other end, it's regular USB. You plug it out, USB-C. Therefore, it's compatible with all of your devices. It's also available in 3.3 feet, 6.6 feet, and 10 feet. And the cable is phenomenal. So quit wasting time and go pick this thing up. Like 211,000 other people have already.